another great indication too on SPY, if you're going to look at it, something like that, is if you start looking at that average true range, right? Which is about, 41 cents. If you look at the 15-minute, or if you go a little bit slower time frame, 30 cents, this too will also give you an idea of how much it's moving on how many candles, right? That will kind of help you as well. But just a general rule of thumb, because of where it's at, every 50 cents, pay attention to it, right?
Okay. And then I guess just the normal like intraday channels if you find, bumps
That's
if you scalp, obviously. Right.
Yep, absolutely. See, like right here, you see this 530 that I have marked in gold? Now, obviously, there was a bunch of previous information over there, but look, it did it again here, and it did it again here. So 530 is the lower of my channel, and 530.78 is the upper of my channel. Why? Because it gave it to us here, 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 and here. This is my channel. This is where I live until it breaks one or the other, and then I will see by what the candle does, where's my next channel if we are talking about scalping. Make sense? Because the wicks are what gave me the information. But again, I could use the bodies right here too. See the bodies?
That's right. Because they're all very tight. Yeah.
Yep. So it really depends on what's happening. I mean, you can see it here and here. And now look at what this did as we drew this out, right? This was our channel. This is support. This is resistance. Resistance, support, until it tells us otherwise, right? Up, down, up, down. See it?